Open the flight case and take out the LED poster. Unfold the folded LED poster. Secure it with a wrench. Install the antenna and network cable. Plug in the power cable, and the screen lights up. Notice the Wi-Fi on the label. Connect the computer to the LED poster's Wi-Fi. Password SN2008 @+. Open the software vPlex Express. Click Solutions. New. Regular screen. Click Page List. Video and Import Program. Choose a video and click Fill the entire screen. Click Publish. Completed.